Hi, this is Michael, and this is my first iPhone app. It's called Wasted Time, and it addresses one of my big pet peeves, which is when people join meetings late and they don't think about the impact to everybody else who's attending on time. So, I'm demoing it in the iPhone simulator, but I do have it on my iPhone, and I'm provisioning it for people to test right now. So here's the app. It's a $sign on a clock, and when you click on it, you start up in the meeting setup screen. There's always an information tab which you can click on, which really walks you through the steps. Very simple, very straightforward. So we're going to go in and we're going to start with a meeting where everyone is on average paid $100 an hour. So notice I put in a rate and I chose hourly. We then go to the Start Meeting tab, and since I just dialed in, I'm going to add me and start the meeting. Now what you notice is the seconds counting up here, and then the rate of waste or cost going by second. So waiting for the people to join, someone joins, another person joins, another person joins. After a while, we're still waiting. We're up to 10 people. One of them gives up and drops. Another one drops. And all of this is keeping track of the cost each second. So as people join, the rate's going to change, but as they drop, it'll change again for those seconds of waste. So this is going to start pretty quick. We're about a minute in, and we're going to say we finally got the last person in. They join, and we've achieved quorum. So at this point, with 9 people, the waste was $8.68, or if you did this in pounds or yen or whatever, it's simply a calculation. And that's a big waste. Now, larger meeting, more people before you achieve your quorum, obviously the bigger the waste. Well, the meeting's still going on, and we get to a point where we've said everything we need to say, the action items are done, and now the meeting ends. So the total cost of that meeting, based off of the average $100 an hour, was almost $18. Was it worth it? Now at this point, we could easily just reset. It's still going to have the same rate as before. We could change it and say now we're actually going to deal with salaried employees, and we'll say that's salaried, and start another meeting. And obviously the numbers are going to change differently because it's now calculating off a different rate. We can add a few more people in, and we achieve quorum. Once again, it shows you the amount. That amount now freezes here, and a couple people drop, and the meeting ends. And there we have it. Thank you very much, and appreciate your feedback on my app.